Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about the trend, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and from the yesterday's momentum we are getting a very good indication. However, if you look at here, you can see the price, when we recorded yesterday's session, there was a good green candle, but by the end of the day, all the gains, it was erased. So basically, what has happened, looks like, looking at the current situation, looking at the whole situation, looks like, we might get further fall in the Bitcoin as well, and maybe, we can see a breakout of this 19,000 level as well. So what we can expect, as of now, we need a confirmation for that. So what we can do, or what we can see here, we can take a resistance at 20,000, and I am taking a support of 19,000 only, which is precisely 18,966. So I'm taking the support here only. The moment I will see a close below than this, then we will think of changing the levels. Now look at today's momentum, because yesterday's there was a clear cut selling, and today also I think it's down by around 2% or so. Yes, near to 2% it is down as of now, but again the market is open, and we just need to see the evening session and the closing price would be able to see more clarity. But yesterday's momentum was very good. We have seen a good volumes here, we have seen a good volatility, good movement here in the Bitcoin. So these are the two levels, but overall if you look at the trend, if you look at the momentum, so we are in a negative trend. We are getting a we might able to see further fall in the Bitcoin. So this 18,966 level, the price is just holding up. The moment we will see a close below than this, we will see a further fall in this particular cryptocurrency. Now looking at the Ethereum, so the Ethereum is also following the same steps, and as discussed in the previous few videos, that the price is basically lacking momentum here, and that's the reason it's down today also. So it's down by around 3%, more than 3% in fact. And look at the volumes, yesterday, look at the volumes even today. So this is not the usual volumes, by this time. So we majorly get the volumes by the evening time, but if you talk about the average volume, so this is better than that. So yes, we are getting good sales volume, good selling volume here. So again we might able to see that the price will come back to this support level of 1215, and we can take a resistance at 1510. So yes, definitely the price will be there in this area only, and this level, or these levels basically will give you a clarity that the price will be there in these two ranges, or in these two levels only. So this is for the Ethereum. Overall, if I talk about the trend, so that's a negative trend for the Ethereum as well. So this is all from my side. If you are liking this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on the notification bell icon. We'll be including a lot of things for the different financial markets, and that will be useful for you, right? So again I would say, let's just subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell icon, go, and we'll meet you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching me.